When you take the best action camera in the world along with the #1 toy car brand on earth, you end up with what we have here. Thanks to Mattel, we are taking a look at a very special Hot Wheels package that includes the brand new GoPro car Zoom In. So I think we should zoom inside this box, check out all of the fun stuff packed inside, and of course, test it out. Starting off here with the GoPro Pocket Guide, a must-have for beginners to the action. It gives you some tips and tricks that should help you film and also edit your videos. Next, we have a little poster that says the challenge is on to create and share epic Hot Wheels tracks. It also looks like this car will be found everywhere this month of June for the same price as any other basic car. The exciting part is that fans can still create insane tracks, jumps, and stunts, but now thanks to this car, they can even capture the action shot. I am really excited for this next item. Here is the GoPro Hero 5 Session, which is the perfect lightweight little action camera that goes along with your Hot Wheels. And this one is really light because this is just some paper. I already have a GoPro that we can use. Now this is what we all really want to see, a brand new casting for 2018, the all new GoPro and Hot Wheels collaboration named the Zoom In. A few things to note about this model: obviously it's low to the ground, a well balanced and crafted machine to stabilize a camera of course, and it's very wide, giving it the perfect weight distribution on both sides to handle the shape of the camera on top. To arm your vehicle with the GoPro, it's extremely easy to do. You'll notice there's a plastic clip inside of the car, so just start by lifting that up. Then you just have to squeeze the camera into its new home and you'll hear it snap right into place. You may have noticed there are some awesome track packs tucked inside the lid of this package, so I'm going to get those out of there so we can build a track. Alright, here's everything that was inside the Hot Wheels GoPro package, minus my new paper GoPro camera. Let's open up these track packs real fast, starting with the Loop Kit system. Next we have the Track Builder Curve Kit, and the third one here is the Car and Track Pack. Now let's take these track parts outside to build some test tracks for the new car. The first test run is going to be a straight shot road through the backyard. We've got our cars lined up and the track is clamped up high to give our vehicles some speed. On to test run 2, here we have the curve set up to see if the GoPro can actually make it around a sharp corner, which I'm very curious to see if it will. It's time for test track 3, and this one features the famous challenging blue loop, which might be a struggle for the GoPro car Zoom In. There we have it guys, the brand new Hot Wheels and GoPro creation in action. That was just a small taste of what Zoom In can do, and you will be seeing a lot more of this car in my future videos. Thank you again to Mattel, and thank you guys for watching. If you want to see more fun Hot Wheels videos, be sure to subscribe, and I'll see you on my next video.